Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to start a water cycle, getting the water back. This one is our topic today. Hello, Mr. Nadeem and Yazan.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Hello, walaikum
Hi,
salam.
sir.
Hello. How are you?
I am some teacher.
Okay. Open your books, page number 34. Page number 34 and 35 actually. Hello, Mr. Dr. Abdullah.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, Omar Muhammad.
Yes. أستاذ إيش الكتاب كذا يعني?
Sorry,
Why is the book like this when I open a page? Just closes quickly.
I don't know. How would I know? This is your book.
No, it's all of our books.
Okay, maybe this is new. That's why.
Okay.
Okay, Omar. Omar Allah.
Yes.
Yes, I have sent a video to make windmill in your group. Okay.
Now, right?
Yes, now. If you want to make that is an activity, you can make it. Okay.
Homework, it means?
It is activity and homework for you because
Okay, sir.
yeah,
Which teacher? What's this?
I send you in your group. If you open your group, you can see that.
طيب
WhatsApp
وش
group.
الفائدة؟
This
Hello,
one is
teacher.
this one here on this page. It was windmill. So some students asked me to send a video to make this. So I send a video. If you want to make, that's good. Windmill. But for project, today I will tell you a project that is important. لازم سوي. This one is your project. هذا page number 35.
يعني أستاذ اللي أرسلت الفيديو
Sir.
أقوم أسويه وأرسله لك.
Yes, if you make it, please send it to me. Okay, but project you have to make, all of you, this project. You have to draw on the big cardboard, you can say, okay? And you will make it or draw it by pencil or pen and colors or...
Sir.
Sorry?
Sir.
Yes.
Today we have a quiz for this play.
Abdullah Lehan, when I am talking to something else, don't interrupt, okay? Isma Awal. I am talking about your project and you are asking about, I don't know what. Please concentrate with me. I am telling you about your project. You have 5 marks for this in your exam, okay? 5 darajat for this project. What is The project is about water cycle. You will make a water cycle and send it to me. I will send you in your group some examples. Okay, some examples I will send you. Okay, and you can search on Google Drive, Google as well. You can search water cycle. You will write water cycle projects, and you can see many of them, thousands maybe. So you can choose one and make it. Any student who will make a good project, he will get some prize and 5 marks for everyone who will make. Okay. Understand, Abdullah? Understand, Umar? Umar Muhammad, Umar Yasir, Abdullah and Khalid and Abdullah Faisal, everyone. If you will make this, you will get 5 marks. If you will make
So
it,
we draw
the
it
best
or
one,
paint it?
the best one, I will choose one of the best. Okay. Best one will
Teacher,
get a prize. Okay.
Teacher,
Yeah.
so we draw this?
Yes, you have to make a good project. I will send you some examples, Yazan. You can search
Okay,
on
teacher.
Google as well. Just try it on
Okay.
Google. What?
Sir, I'll see the video for the windmill.
Okay, please watch. Okay, you can. After the period, you can. After the class. Okay, now here we have getting other water back. Yazan, please read from the start. Yazan, can you hear me?
Teacher?
Yes, read.
Teacher, there's a lot of sound here. I didn't hear you.
Okay, Khalid, open your mic, read.
Okay, getting the water back. No, the condensation is when a gas turns back into a liquid and is the reverse of evaporation.
Yes. The big idea is
The big idea, condensation and evaporation are part of the water cycle and recycle the water on Earth.
okay. Next, we have a question. Question is, what would happen all of the rain that falls stayed in the sea?
Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
All the water in the world will disappear.
All the water will
Disappear.
disappear. What will happen if all the rain that falls stayed in the sea? Okay, let me write. All the water
Will disappear.
Just 1 second. Let me make it smaller and black as well. All the water will disappear. Okay. What do you mean by disappear? Anyone?
Sir, I know disappear.
Yeah, what is the meaning?
Disappear, no, mean
It will not be here.
Sorry, again?
not be.
It will not be in
يختفي
the
أو
world.
يختفي.
Yes, yani ghaib, right? In easy words.
Yes.
All the water will disappear if there is no rain.
Water.
Okay, next
Rain.
question. What would happen if there was no liquid on the earth? Mr. Khalid, can you answer?
It's die.
Sorry?
Did it's die. Did.
We will die, right? Or every living things will die.
In the hot, because the sun, it's hot.
Yes, that is hot. Okay.
Because the
What
sun,
would
it's
happen
hot.
if there was no liquid water on the earth? Life
Because-
would not survive. So we can write here, life would not survive. Yani kullu living things will be dead. Okay, now read Mr. Abdullah Faisal, read. From here.
Yeah, teacher. Yeah.
From here, please read.
Okay, on and on.
When it rains,
Okay, when page 34 صح?
yes, 34.
When it rains, water falls from clouds and onto the ground or into the sea. The water on the ground can follow into
Flow.
flow into rivers and then into lakes or the sea. The sun then hits the water. Air continuous water vapor. If the air is cold, the water vapor conditions. The water can fall as rain.
Okay, thank you. Air contains water vapor. I told you, if the air is cooled, the water vapor condenses. This water can fall as rain. We discussed this in school as well, if you remember. Okay, Dr. Umar, open your mic and read the other part.
Me?
Yes,
Water can
Okay.
be heated by the sun
Not
and
Umar.
move.
not Umar
Umar who?
Muhammad, Umar Ala.
Okay. Water can be heated by the sun and move into the air as water vapor. Air can be cooled and the water vapor turns back to water.
Okay,
As
Umar Ala,
the-
thank you. Umar Muhammad, now you read.
You're welcome.
As the water vapor cools, it forms clouds. When as clouds cool, even more the water will fall as rain. This is how the earth recycles. This is how earth recycles water. This is called the water cycle.
This is called the water cycle. Okay, thank you, Umar Muhammad. Abdullah Muhammad Al-Liham, read this amazing fact. What is this? Tell us about it.
Okay, sir,
What is this?
where?
Here, amazing
what is-
fact.
Cycle?
Amazing fact on page number 34.
Oh, yes. 1 billion tons
Tons
water.
of water
tons of water falls to the earth every minute.
every
That's
minute.
about 130 trillion kilograms of water every day. That's a lot of water.
This is an amazing fact which is happening all the day, all the time, every minute around us. Water is falling on the earth and the quantity is 130 trillion kilograms of water every day. Okay, page number 35. Page 35. Here you have some words to write in the water cycle. So who will tell me starting from this one?
I can teacher Khalid Muhammad.
Yes, Khalid Muhammad.
Okay, this river.
Okay, what is this?
Sea,
Okay, what is this?
clouds,
This one?
sun,
Okay, next.
evaporation,
What? This one from here, evaporation. Then this
clouds.
clouds. This one, evaporation. Then condensation. Okay, next. These are
This
clouds. Okay, and this one?
rain.
Rain. Okay, and this actually this one, what is the name? Before rain?
Condensation.
Condensation. Very nice. Thank you. So I will write it for you. This one here is a river. Okay. Then here we have sea. Okay, sea or collection of water, you can say. This is a collection of water. Okay. Or here we have evaporation. As Abdullah Liham said, tabakhur. Right, Abdullah? Did you remember?
Yes, yes.
Evaporation. This is the sun. Tabakhur, right? Okay. The sun. Then we have clouds. Okay. Then here we have rain, which is also called precipitation. Precipitation has different forms like hailing or snow or rain and others. This is when this liquid turns into, this gas turns into liquid again, that is called condensation. Okay, so this one you will write here. Understood? Any problem?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
No problem.
Okay,
No
that's
problem at
nice.
all.
No, teacher. No.
Problem.
Now we have completed the paragraph using the words in the word bank below. Water in the river bank, river, lakes and oceans is heated by the
Sun.
okay,
Into
ocean is
gas.
done by the sun, sorry. Right
Sun.
here the sun, okay.
Okay.
By the
Which
sun
it makes
it
evaporate.
makes evaporate. Excellent, evaporate. Which makes it evaporate. Okay. Then next, the water changes into
Into
Water
gas.
vapor. Water vapor.
gas.
Gas.
Water vapor.
Vapor.
Yes, yes.
Water vapor.
said water
Okay, that's
vapor
nice.
first.
Thank you. Thank you. When this water vapor rises higher in the sky, it gets colder. This causes water vapor to condense into liquid. Into liquid. What?
Evaporation.
Into liquid.
Condensation. Clouds.
Clouds.
Into liquid. What is liquid here? Liquid is water.
Evaporation.
Oh,
Is water.
water.
Liquid water. It turns into liquid, which is water.
I
Understand?
Evaporation.
This is seen as, you can see this as what? You can see this as
Yes, clouds.
cloud. Yes. You can see this as cloud.
ليش تكتب الأحرف بالغلط؟
Okay. You can see this as cloud.
بتعمل هيك بعدين بتعمل لها هيك، هي الواحد بيعمل لها هيك.
انا خطي مرتب مو مثل بعض جماعة.
Close your mic, Abdullah
Okay.
Laham.
Abdullah Leham, while you are talking to your
Yes,
family, I told you, please keep quiet, close your mic and then talk. Thank you. Next, in clouds in the sky, when these clouds cool even more, the water can fall onto the earth as
rain.
Rain.
it's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. It's easy. It's easy.
Yes.
Yes. This
I can
process
read.
starts again. This is called
Water
Motorcycle.
cycle.
To the first.
هجا انا
Everyone is fast. Okay.
It's my colleague.
So this one was
Finish.
good.
I finish.
You have finished it.
I
Okay.
finished the
that's good.
first one.
It's one teacher, okay?
Let's go.
the second one.
Okay, now you will read one by one. Mr.
Okay.
Umar Yasir will start.
Me.
Sir.
Yes, read this paragraph one by one.
Okay. Water in rivers,
Rivers.
lakes and oceans is heated by the sun, which make it evaporate. The water changes into water vapor. When this water vapor rises higher in the sky, it gets colder. This causes the water vapor to condense into liquid water. This is seen as clouds in the sky. When these clouds cool even more, the water can fall to the earth as rain. This process starts again at and is called the water cycle.
Excellent, Mr. Omar Yasser. Thank you. Nadeem Walid, open your mic and read.
Yes, teacher. Okay.
Yes.
As the water vapor cools, it forms clouds. When the clouds cool even more, the water will fall as rain. This is how the earth recycles water. This is called the water cycle.
Okay, then we have page 35. Yeah, Abdullah, mashallah. What happened? ايوه الحين كويس يا عبد الله. Okay, we are reading this only. بس الحين اقرا. يلا يزن, come on, open your mic and read.
Okay, teacher. Water in rivers, lakes, and oceans is heated by the sun, which makes it evaporate. The water changes into water vapor. When this water vapor rises higher in the sky, it gets colder. This causes the water vapor to condense into liquid water. This is seen as clouds in the sky. When these clouds cool even more, the water can fall to earth as rain. This process starts again and is called the water cycle or cycle.
That's great. Thank you, Yazan. Okay, Muhammad Noor, open your mic.
Yes, okay. Water in rivers, lakes, and oceans is heated by the sun, which makes it evaporate. The water changes into water vapor. When the water vapor rises higher in the sky, it gets colder. This causes the water when the water vapor to condenses into liquid water. This is seen as clouds in the sky. When these clouds cool even more, the water can fall to earth as rain. This process starts again and is called the water vapor.
Water cycle.
Water cycle.
The last one you read wrong. Okay, that's nice. Thank you. Okay, so there is a competition. Okay, anyone who will make a video by reading this explaining water cycle, okay, this is a competition for you. Okay, you will explain this in English and record a video and send it to me. Okay, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Do we read this? Sir,
Yes.
I want to
Someone who will read it perfectly, I will give him a prize.
Teacher, I read.
Everyone.
I know what is the prize.
What is the prize, Umar?
Points.
No, not points. It will be a prize. Prize means prize, not the marks.
Teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, I know
Yes,
what
yes.
is the prize.
Teacher, make a video or
Yes,
or,
make a video. Make a video.
Or from the what's like this sound.
No,
only.
not audio.
Why video?
Not audio, video. Because I want to see and we will upload it on Facebook, inshallah. Okay. So this is
On
a
Facebook?
competition. Yes,
On Facebook?
You have to make this one firstly. This is your project. You will make this and then you will read this by holding your project. Okay, you will hold your project in your hands and then repeat these words, because this is water cycle, explanation for water cycle. Okay,
Very hard.
Okay.
that's why
And
the
I
prize
don't-
will be good. Okay,
And I don't have a time to do this.
why you are what are
'Cause
you
there
doing?
is-
I mean,
There is a class today.
you have time next week. You have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. 4 vacations you have now.
Okay,
4
I do
holidays.
it.
So you-
Okay, sir, I do it now or I do it in the
you
next
have
days?
4 days. You can send me in next week. Okay. So you will, when you will come on Tuesday, I will be here, or maybe Monday. You will come on Monday, right?
No,
In school.
no.
Yes. Your day is Monday.
Next Monday or next
Sunday,
after
Monday,
Monday.
Tuesday. Or you will
The
come
next
Wednesday,
Monday
right?
is the
Monday,
Next
next Monday? No,
No, there is no
a
school. So you will come on
vacation.
Wednesday, right?
Wednesday.
No.
No, also Wednesday.
we
There
will
is a
come in
vacation.
the,
Make the
in the-
activity.
in the another Monday.
No, you will
Another
come on
Monday.
Wednesday, man.
No.
Oh,
Sir Adil Gharib said
Okay,
there is,
listen.
there
Okay,
is
listen. You will come on next Monday, right?
Yes.
But
no.
you have to send me this video and project after vacation, like on Monday or Tuesday. Okay. The last day is next Thursday. After vacation, Thursday.
Sir, send what?
I will finish it in
You
one
have 1 week. You have 1 week to finish
Sir,
this.
send
and
what?
it.
Of send one. What?
Umar Yasir, you have to make this
Yes.
project. Okay. Make this project.
Okay.
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 And then explanation with a video and send me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's what I need.
Sir, I
The
read
one
this
who
or
will do
make an
it
explanation.
perfectly, only one. I will show these videos to Mr. Adil, Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim. Okay. They will choose first one.
We will make the video on Facebook, right, teacher?
No, you will make a video personally and send it to me. Then I will show to Mr. Muhammad. He will choose 1, 2, or 3, and then we will give him prize. Okay, we will honor him, inshallah. First one.
Mr. Sorry, what is
Okay.
the project again?
Sir, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
I will say explanation or say the sentences.
Explanation
Mr. I
means
noticed
how will you explain? You will hold your project, okay,
Okay.
and then you will explain. My name is Omar Ala. I am in grade 5. Okay, I study in Shubab Al Fahd International School. Today I will
Mr.
explain my project, which is water cycle. Okay.
Okay.
Then you
Mr.
will start.
do any
Water
project or
cycle
what
in the river, lakes, and oceans is heated by the sun, and then you will explain till the end. Understood?
Okay.
Mr. Sorry, I
Okay.
must say something.
Yeah, Nadeem.
The project of what?
Of the what?
The video?
Water cycle. Nadeem, are you with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Nadeem, listen again. I am telling you, all of you again, okay?
Again.
Look, you will make the best one, water cycle, okay? Make this on a big board, okay? Like cardboard, or you can get from the market, okay? Purchase it. Then you will draw these pictures, or you can draw with watercolors or whatever. You will draw it perfectly. I will choose one project, and then explanation. Who will explain the best, who will make the best, I will give them both 1 and 1 prize. Okay, I will honor them both.
أستاذ
Yes.
تقدر تعيد مقدمة الفيديو اللي مثلا
Sir, I
برسلها.
have a question. I have a
Yes,
question.
you can.
I
Okay.
make I make the shape of no wait.
You can draw. You
I
can
make
draw
a
the shape.
picture.
Yes.
يعني يا
the
أستاذ
person-
أرسل
It should be
يعني-
real, not the colors, and you just copy from the
Mister,
computer
mister,
and paste it.
you
No,
draw,
it should be made
يعني-
from your hands. I will
يعني يا-
choose the best one.
يعني يا أستاذ أرسمها.
Yes, you should make it. Let me just show you 1 minute, 1 second actually.
Mister, in a
Just a
board.
second, I will show you
يعني-
now. Yes.
Color what? Color what?
Wait, I am go.
Just 1 minute, please. Let me show you.
Draw what?
No.
Abdullah Liam, maybe I repeated 3 times. Please. You need this again and again?
No. Okay.
Yes, here, look here, please. Let me show you. If you search on Google, look here, you have a lot of water cycle projects, right?
Okay.
Okay. So you can
Okay.
draw one of them, which you can write water cycle projects. Okay. Okay. Now you can check this out. You have a lot of water cycle projects. So you can choose one of them and draw it. Okay. Understand?
Okay.
You can make one of them and send it to me. This is the simplest one and this is the best one, I think. So you can choose one of them and draw it. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
Omar.
I have a question.
Yes.
Anyone know?
I make a picture. I make
What?
a
What?
picture.
How you made this? This mustache?
This.
Oh,
Okay.
this is soft. Okay.
يا عمر في فرق بينك وبين الأستاذ بالشرف.
Okay.
I'll make
What is the
a
question?
nice one.
Yes.
I draw in a
Yazan,
board.
what are you doing, Yazan?
I'm doing
You are making water cycle in the kitchen?
Like you said.
No, I have all. Okay, what is your question, Umar?
Okay, sir, I make a draw in a board. I will I'll make a draw in a board, then I will explain it.
Yes, you will draw, you will hold it like this, as I told you. You will hold it like this, okay, to show in the video, okay? And you can explain. My name is Umar Allah. I am in grade 5. I study in Shwab al-Fadhi International, as I told you before, okay?
بس والله دي حلوة أرسمها.
Okay, boys. See you next time. Thank you. Goodbye.
This is good or this one? Who is good, this or this?
You are good. So whatever you have, it's good. Goodbye. Thank you.
مع السلامة يا عمر أبو شنب.